Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In today's lecture, we will discuss the topic virtual market, supply chain management, level of supply chain management and B2B e-commerce communication. This is our lecture number 2, unit 4 business oriented e-commerce. So let's begin. Next point, virtual market. You have started your new business and you are excited to grow it into the vision of brilliance you have always dreamed of. Whether you are just starting out or have been going for a while, you are bound to have a few questions about certain aspects of your growing business. One of those questions may be about the best way to market your business and more especially what is a virtual marketing. So students, virtual marketing means virtual market are software applications that provide a meeting place for many vendors and buyers. They are referred to by many names including digital marketplace, vertical portal and digital exchanges. The buyers access the virtual market through a web server to place orders. The seller also need to access the virtual marketplace to carry out catalog maintenance and updating from time to time. Amazon and eBay are popular examples of virtual marketplaces. So students, virtual marketing is essentially just another name for digital marketing or viral marketing. All three of these terms simply means marketing that is done in a virtual or digital space. It is marketing without physical presence. Virtual marketing is one of most popular form of marketing, rising in conjunction with the wide use of social media across the world. And virtual, viral or digital marketing has many forms, but some of the most popular include content marketing, social media and pay-per-click advertising. If it takes place through a computer or require the internet to work, it probably in a virtual marketing category. Okay. Next topic is levels of supply chain management. Students, first of all, what is a supply chain management? Supply chain management is defined as two or more autonomous firms working jointly to plan and execute supply chain operation. It can deliver substantial benefits and advantages to its partners. It has been known as a cooperative strategy when one or more companies or business units work together to create mutual benefits. Okay. So we will see the levels. First is transaction integration. This level involves computerization of general business activities and transaction. For this function, you can use the internet, electronic data interchange, it means EDI, or proprietary software tools. At this level, you and supply team members exchange the different data. It means sales order, work order and purchase order, credit and debit notes, invoices, incoming and outgoing payment, etc. Okay. Then second level is supply chain management information sharing. At this level, you will be sharing information with supply chain members using the internet, EDI or proprietary software tools. The types of share information include the production and transportation plan, production forecast, bill of material, orders, product details, inventory, product availability, contract terms, etc. And third level is strategic collaboration. In this level, you and supply chain partner will be collaborating on planning and redesigning processes, and you will usually be sharing some risk and reward. You will be making joint decision on improving forecast accuracy, improving supply chain relationship, increasing profitability, and resolving critical supply chain event. So these three are level of supply chain management. Okay. Next point is B2B e-commerce communication. In industrial marketing, B2B communication refers to one organization or business selling its product or services to another organization or business. B2B communication is primarily used to conduct business transaction. Business to business, also called B2B, is a form of transaction between businesses such as one involving a manufacturer and wholesaler and a retailer. So various marketing communication tools are used by B2B companies to retain existing customer, connect with new customer, and focus on helping to turn prospective customers into sales. Therefore, understanding the buying behavior of your market, targeting right prospects, and providing the right information or messages at the right time through the right channel is of the utmost important, and as your B2B buyers are more likely than B2C buyers to research and seek out information on the product they buy. It's important that any communication your buyer receives is targeted, highly relevant, and easily accessible. Okay, so this is the B2B e-commerce communication. Students, today we saw what is a virtual marketing, levels of supply chain management, and B2B e-commerce communication tools. Okay, so today we have completed unit 4 business oriented e-commerce, and also we have completed the syllabus for semester 2nd e-commerce, essential of e-commerce subject. Thank you.